To add the owner's main fingerprint, hold your finger down until a blue light appears. Press finger down 5 times. The owner's main fingerprint has been successfully inputted. It is recommended that the owner add a second main fingerprint and the owner's other fingerprints to have multiple unlocking options. Owner's 2 main fingerprints have the right to add fingerprints of other family members. Start by holding down your main fingerprint until the blue light appears. Add the additional fingerprint by pressing 5 times. A total of 20 fingerprints can be entered. The owner's 2 main fingerprints can reset the lock to default, eliminating all fingerprints, or you can use the USB driver accessory to clear all fingerprints. To reset your device to its default mode, hold down your main fingerprint until the red light appears. Press once. Device is reset to default now. Assembling the device onto your firearm is quick and easy. Only your fingerprints can trigger the lock, giving you autonomy and safety over your firearms. Unlock in 0.1 seconds. The lock body will pop out and separate quickly. We also have optional keys to lock or unlock the device manually. You may use this when the battery is low or for other circumstances. This product is easily portable and charges with cable. Convenient, great for traveling, and has a long battery life. We hope you enjoyed our demonstration today. Thank you for watching.